Welcome to the Toorak Estate, where luxury knows no bounds. This prestigious residence, spanning 2,000 square metres under roof on an elevated 3,200 square metre land parcel, embodies the pinnacle of living in Melbourne's most exclusive suburb and is set to break the record as the most expensive home ever sold in Melbourne. Completed in 2018 under the direction of renowned architect Ilario Cortese, this award-winning home boasts 4 meticulously crafted levels. Designed by Paul Bangay, the stunning grounds complement the magnificence of this residence. With 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and parking for 8 cars, every aspect of this residence exudes opulence and sophistication, rivaling the finest hotels worldwide. Experience the epitome of luxury living at the Turac Estate.